Alright, real talk. Most of us are working that 9 to 5 grind, Zoom calls, endless emails, corporate jargon like circle back and let's take this offline. And while it pays the bills, it's not exactly lighting up your bank account, is it? But here's the good news. You don't have to quit your job and become a full-time crypto bro or YouTube influencer to start making extra money. Today, I'm breaking down real proven ways you can start earning more while keeping your day job. No burnout, no nonsense. Let's get it. Here's the thing. Depending on one job is risky, because if you lose it, you lose 100% of your income. But with a side hustle or extra stream coming in, you've got options. You've got breathing room, and eventually you've got wealth-building fuel. And no, you don't need 10 hours a week, you just need a little strategy. Let's start easy. Whatever you do at work, writing, graphic design, social media management, data analysis, someone out there will pay you for it outside your job. Hop on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, TopTal for premium gigs. Set up a profile. Take on one project a month. Boom. Extra cash in your pocket without quitting your job. Bonus tip, charge per project, not per hour. Value your time like a boss. Got a hobby, a passion, a weirdly specific skill? Turn it into a digital product. Could be an ebook, a Notion template, a fitness plan, an AI prompt pack, or a digital planner. Make it once, sell it forever. And platforms like Gumroad and Ko-Fi make it stupid simple. Some people are out here making an extra $500 to $5,000 a month selling digital downloads while watching Netflix after work. Now before you say I don't have inventory money, chill, you don't need to. You can drop ship or do print on demand through sites like Printful or Teespring. Sell t-shirts, mugs, stickers, gym bags with funny slogans, zero inventory, minimal upfront costs, and you can run everything from your phone on your lunch break. Not everyone wants to be the next TikTok star, but there's a lane for you. Pick one niche you care about. Productivity hacks, money tips, gaming setups, cooking for lazy people. Start sharing quick reels, carousels, or tweets about it. Monetize later with affiliate links or digital products. You don't need a million followers. You need a focused audience who trusts you. Okay, this one's underrated. You don't need to create a product. You just recommend other people's stuff and get paid a commission. Amazon affiliates is the classic one, but there are way better paying programs out there in niches like software, like Canva, Notion, or AI tools, online courses, and fitness equipment. Share it on your IG story, Twitter, blog, or LinkedIn posts. It's slow at first, but this stuff snowballs. Hear me out. You don't need to be a journalist, you just need to know something useful. Start a Substack or Beehive newsletter. Write once a week about something you know. Crypto insights, stock recaps, mental health tips, whatever. Once you get 100 to 200 readers, offer a $5 a month paid tier with deeper content. That's $500 to $1,000 a month right there. And it grows over time. But bro, I don't have time. Yes, you do. I'm not saying work 20 hours a week on top of your job. I'm saying carve out 3 hours a week. That's 25 minutes a day. Scroll less, create more. Trust me, 3 hours a week for 6 months can change your life financially. Now here's where it gets fun. As one of these side hustles grows, you'll realize something. You don't need your job as much as you thought. And when your extra income matches your salary, freedom is one resignation letter away. Or, if you love your job, awesome. Now you've got 2 income streams and financial security. Alright, quick recap. Earn while working your 9 to 5 by freelancing your skills, selling digital products, starting a micro e-com store, creating niche content, affiliate marketing, launching a paid newsletter. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how fast your income snowballs. The money's out there, go grab it. If you're ready to make moves, hit that like and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Title, end screen, on-screen text displayed at the end of the video.